With one bitter kola, wealthy people, we have mercy on you. This spiritual work that I'm about to teach you right now is a very powerful mercy work to make sure that wealthy people have mercy on you. Are you somebody that always beg people for food? You always beg people for money. You always beg people for things that ordinarily you should have. If you are somebody like that, this video is for you. At the end of this video, in fact, I want to promise you, if you can do this, if you can use bitter kola the way I'm going to teach you in this video, wealthy people, we have mercy on you. The elders understand what I'm about to talk about. In fact, you can confirm this from any elders around you. They will tell you this works 100%. At the end of this video, you'll be thankful you watched this video. So make sure you continue to watch this video and stick with me till the end of the video. Okay? So my name is Precious and this is New Life with Precious. Alright, so all you have to do is get bitter kola. Bitter kola. For viewers on my channel, you must be familiar with what bitter kola is. And if you don't know what bitter kola is, that's fine. Okay? You can go to your local herb store right now. Okay? You can go to your supermarket right now and just ask them for bitter kola. Or if you're living abroad, where just look for an African store, an African grocery store where they sell food. Just ask them for bitter kola. Okay? All you need is just 3 bitter kola for this mercy work. So once you get it 3, because you have to do this work 3 times every week, and you'll be shocked how mercy will follow you, how wealthy people are going to have mercy on you. People are going to be favoring you. They will be having mercy on you every single time. That's how powerful this spiritual work is. In my local language, there is a saying that níbi tó ká bá jókòó sí, ibẹ̀ lóúnjẹ ti máa ń bà. Wherever cobra is, that's where its foods will come to it. It doesn't have to struggle. Its food is going to find it. Okay? So, and that's how it's going to be for you too. So just get 3 bitter kola. And this work has to be done early in the morning. If you have time, do it early in the morning. But if you don't have time early in the morning, do it any time that you have time. It doesn't really matter. But if you can, do it early in the morning, just before you speak to anybody. Maybe exactly when you're just waking up from the bed, from sleep. Just get 1 bitter kola. You do it 3 times in a week. You could do it 3 days in a row. So for each day, you are going to grab 1 bitter kola. And this is how you do it. You will hold your bitter kola in your hand like this, and you will face up. Okay, you hold it like this, and you look up like this, and you start your prayer. And this is the prayer you're going to say. In my local language, you will say, Ojú ní ń gbayì lọ́wọ́ orí, ẹsẹ̀ ní ń gbayì lọ́wọ́ ọ̀nà, aṣọ funfun ní ń gbayì lọ́wọ́ òkú. Meaning, the eyes beautifies the head, the legs walk the floor or the ground, then white cloth beautify the dead. Which means everywhere that you go, people are going to favor you. People are going to have mercy on you, because when they set their eyes on you, they will want to favor you. They will want to have mercy on you. They will want to help you. They will want to bless you. You know, that's how powerful this is. And you must not joke with this. Okay? The elders understand what I'm talking about over here. So, I want you to go right ahead. Do this 3 times every week. Do it 3 times this week. You know, you continue to do it. Even when these things start working for you, you should be doing it. So that you will start seeing all this mercy. You start seeing all the favor. You will start seeing all the blessings. And you will start seeing all the miracles. Okay? You do it 3 times in a week. And this doesn't cost much. Even if it is very costly, you know, you're doing it to better your life. You know, buy as many as you want. But you only need 3 each week. And you use 1 each day. Okay? And you say whatever I've told you to eat. Make your prayers. Make your intentions. Okay? You can ask about anything that you want. Anything that is bothering your mind. Anything. Maybe your heart desires. Whatever you want to achieve. Whatever you want to get. Say it to the bitter kola. And once you've done that, you just have to take it. You don't have to. You can wash it. But don't peel it off. Don't peel the skin. Just chew it. Like that. And when you are chewing it, you have to say that prayer again. You have to say that intention while you are chewing it again. Okay? So you will say, Ojú ní ń gbayì lọ́wọ́ orí, ẹsẹ̀ ní ń gbayì lọ́wọ́ ọ̀nà, aṣọ funfun ní ń gbayì lọ́wọ́ òkú. It means, I just said that in my local language, but to translate it into English, you will say, the eyes beautifies the head. The legs walk the floor or the ground. White clothes beautify the dead. As from today, you will call your name. As from today, me, Precious, will continue to receive mercy from the old, from the young, from men, from women, from everybody. I will receive mercy from all over the world. Right from today, I will start receiving mercy. I will be receiving mercy. Wealthy people will have mercy on me every single time. With just 1 bitter kola, wealthy people will have mercy on you. That's how powerful this spiritual work is. I want you to go right ahead and do this. And please come back with your testimony. Alright? If you want more spiritual videos for your life, watch these videos over there. It must definitely help your life. If you love this video already, give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. My name is Precious, and this is New Life with Precious. I'm going to see you in my next video. You know I love you so much, and I'm sure that you love me too. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.